Good morning. It's Wednesday the 15th of March. I'm Nigel Croft and this is TA for Traders. In this short video we'll be looking at the commodity markets. We'll see that in WTI crude and in Brent crude they are holding on to support by the ends of their fingertips, but in gold and silver we'll see that supports have failed. Maybe possibility of a short-term bounce, but looking like lower levels to come. So on WTI crude, you can see the dramatic fall we had when the 50-day moving average failed. We're now right down at the 200-day moving average, which is this red line, and you can see that it is finding support there, and also you can see that the RSI has moved into oversold territory. Did low at just above 25 and is now at 27, but you can also see the MACD is now indicating downside momentum. The support may hold for the short term, but we need to see some upside progress pretty prompto for the RSI to unwind and for this to start improving. On the longer term picture, you can see here that it's the blue line, which is the 50-week moving average that's giving the support. Again, the RSI's tracked down. The MACD here has only just started to roll down, so this could just be the start of the move. If, as I said on the daily, if the support doesn't hold, we would expect further moves down. On the weekly, you can see that there is support in the low 40s and then at 39. But if this support fails, really one would expect a move quite dramatically lower. On the support resistance levels, you can see the 20-day and 50-day now act as resistance as they're moving downwards. 52.17 and 52.54. The present level 48.52 with the supports 47.07, 44.86. I haven't put the 200-day moving average on there, but that's trading at 48.65. On to the Brent, and it's a similar picture here, perhaps not quite as bad. We've only dipped below the 200-day yesterday, but it did give support. So we're not quite trading on the 200-day, although it is a key level again. RSI, very similar picture, as is the MACD. On the weekly picture, again, it's the 50-week giving the support, with then the supports coming in at 43.29 and 41.84. Again, if the support fails, the MACD is rolling down, indicating that negative momentum's coming into the market. And if the support fails in the next week, then you would expect quite significant downside. On the support resistance levels on Brent, again the 20 and 50-day tracking down, 54.79, 55.26. With that 200-day given the support at 50.71 at the moment, followed by 50.23. Gold, similar, well, not similar, but no way did the 50-day give the support that was needed here. We've fallen right through. So we fell through the 20-day, no support apart from on an intraday level. Again on the 50-day, no support apart from intraday. And we're trading now below the 50-day. Really, one would expect this market to move into oversold territory, which would see the next support level being tested, which is 11.79. As I said, the RSI isn't yet oversold. It is moving down in a downtrend, indicative of negative momentum. On the weekly, you can see here that all the moving averages now are negative. The 20 week has now moved down. That's where we're trading at the moment. And then above there on the resistance, we've got the 200 day, which seem to now be the confirmed trend that caused all the problem. And the 50 day, which was moving up, has now rolled down as well. So as the market moves down, expect the 20 day to give it a bit of a push down. The RSI has only just broken its short-term uptrend, and the MACD are just turning. So if this support doesn't hold, you will get a negative influence coming in from as it is tracking down, and by then the MACD will have rolled down to be very negative. On the support resistance levels, there's resistance at the 20-day 1228.3 and then 1263.87, with supports 1180.74 and 1127.97. It's a similar picture in silver. You can see that the 20-day didn't hold, the 50-day didn't hold. RSI slightly nearly towards oversold, but MACD is negative. On the weekly, again the 20 week is giving support, 200 day moving down. The 50 day here hasn't quite rolled yet, but will roll. RSI has broken its trend, MACD about to roll. Similar picture to gold, so further downside is expected. On the support resistance levels, resistance at the downtrending 20 day 17715 and then 1848, but the supports are the key levels to watch, 16645 and 16286. So that's been TA for Traders, looking at the commodity markets on Wednesday the 15th of March. Thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with more videos where we'll be looking at individual stocks in the US and the UK markets. Thank you.